Hi guys, and welcome back to the Auto Trader Garage. And continuing on with our video series about absolute garage essentials, today we are talking about spanners, or as the rest of the world calls them, wrenches. Well, starting off with the box or open end style. That's that one over here. As the name suggests, it is a box or open end, and this basically applies pressure to two sides of the nut or bolt that you're trying to take loose. Moving on to the ring spanner. Now the ring spanner is basically a ring which applies force and pressure to all sides of the nut and bolt, which really makes life a lot easier and you're not going to slip off. With this type you also have a box size of the same on the other end. Then move on to the drop ring. As the name suggests, the ring on the spanner is dropped down. Now this gives space for your hands, so you don't bust your knuckles on whatever it is you're taking loose, but also for bolts and nuts that are recessed, you are able to reach with a drop ring. And then we move on to every mechanic's personal pet hate, the adjustable wrench. Now, I would classify this as an emergency tool. If you have a decent set of spanners, you will never need one of these. I would say that this is one of those that you're going to keep in your car and not your toolbox for emergencies. As the name implies, it is an adjustable wrench. You can adjust the size all the way from a small little 4mm all the way up to a 20mm. You're not going to have very good control with this, and the chances of wrecking the nut or bolt that you're trying to take out or rounding over the head is pretty high. So there you have it, folks, the ins and outs of wrenches or spanners.
Search Auto Trader.